You know, one thing I just thought of, I'm making a Spanish dish and an Asian wok. How weird is that crap? You're gonna need ground beef. Tonight I'm gonna use top sirloin ground. Black pepper. Let me use my left hand. Black pepper. And where's my pink salt? Here we go. Pink salt. That should be good. Alright, so we're gonna put our garlic in there. And then we show you onions. This is half an onion. Next thing we're gonna do is this is about 2 potatoes right here, diced up. 1 cup of water, and I'm just gonna pour it just so it's barely on top of the meat. Okay. I'm gonna use tomato. How do you say this, babe? Bouillon? Bouillon. So I'm gonna be using this. Tomato bouillon. I'm gonna use, make sure you see it. Alright, a spoonful. Put it all over. Mix it up. And I'm just gonna let it simmer for a while. Soften up the potatoes, but not too soft. It's up to you. You can use fresh vegetables, fresh carrots, fresh peas, but I'm choosing to use canned. Alright? Decided to use canned because I can. That was lame. That was the lamest joke ever. There we go. Look at that. And that's it. I'm just gonna let it simmer for a few more minutes. Everything's really done. The potatoes are pretty soft. They're not too mushy. But this is it. I don't want to cook it too long with the kind of carrots and peas. So that's it. Let me zoom in.